we are going to talk about water pollution. The addition of harmful of toxic materials that result in degradation of the quality of water is termed as water pollution. Today it has become a global concern with an annual average of 5 million people dying because of water-related problems. The most abundant resource, water, on our planet Earth has been adulterated by mankind to a great extent for various personal gains. Pollutions are effluent outputs from refineries, factories, waste treatment plants, water supplies from grounded systems that have fertilizers, pesticides, and acid wastes. Also, the emission projected into the atmosphere through bakeries, factories, and automobiles plays a big role in contaminating water. One of the major causes of water pollution is the discharge of wastes from industries. It's a common observation that industries find rivers and the sea a comfortable place to dump their waste materials into. These wastes contain toxic substances and also include elements like lead, mercury, nitrates, and sulfates. They are quite harmful to humans as well as aquatic creatures. Seaway is another major cause of the leads of the pollution of water bodies. Human settlements among the banks of rivers cause humans and animals wasted to discharge into them. The sewage contains the feces, urine, and chemical wastes released by millions of people every day. Sometimes the sewage seeps to the ground and contains the groundwater. Instead of treating the sewage properly, most of the time the sewage is released directly into the sea or other rivers, thus polluting the marine life and habitat. With the development of the world, there has been rise the use of vehicles as well. There are billions of vehicles running around and releasing toxic fumes of surface of nitrates every day. When released in the air, they come in contact with the water vapor presented in the air and become mild corrosive acids such as hydrochloric or sulfuric acid. Then, they return to the ground as acid rain. The acid percolates through the ground and mixes with the groundwater, which is then used by humans for consumption.